Greetings guys. Today I'm going to help you how to improve your listening and also your speaking. If you are still interested, so follow me. Let's get started. Today I told you I'm going to apply for you 5 advices going to help you to improve your listening and also your speaking. The first one is active listening. So if you want to improve your listening, then you have to follow or to hear like news or Arabic news letters, and also you can follow for daily conversations in YouTube channels, and also you can watch or listen for broadcast. This is going to help to improve your listening. The second one, if you want to read something, read this with loudly voice. So this is a second advice for you. Like if you have like a newspaper or your personal book in Arabic, when you read any sentence, use the sentence with loudly voice. Like here, for example, أنا أحب قراءة الكتب. Don't use like أنا أحب with yourself. No, just make your sound loudly to make your ear to hear the sound and going to fix it inside your mind. This advice 2. Advice 3. Make conversations with native speakers. So, and this one is really available. You can use. There are many platforms to connect with native speakers like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and also LinkedIn. There are a lot of native speakers. They like to talk with non-native speakers, but for just talk to them in calling or video, because it's going to. This is really to improve your speaking and listening at the same time. So number 4, you can then use visual content. What does it mean? This is mean you can join to any channels in YouTube. Really, we have a big platform. It's called YouTube. There are a lot of Arabic content creators. You can follow one of them and follow him for all his videos, and then also focus in his expressions and his context. This is going to help you how to create conversations in the future. Last one, number 5, you can also, there are a lot of academies and in schools via internet. You can join to their courses. They provide many fields like Arabic, Quran, Tajweed, and etc. They're going to help you with your teacher, and you're going to join for trial lessons, and you can choose your teacher like as you want. So this is 4 advices for you. Then if you like one of them, just comment below. See you at the next class. Assalamu alaikum.